Hi, everybody. My name is Sean O'Kane with ChipEstimate.com and ChipEstimate TV. The 2013 Design and Verification Conference is coming up on February 25th through the 28th at the DoubleTree Hotel in San Jose. This is sponsored by Accelerus Systems Initiative. DVCon is the premier conference for discussion of functional design and verification of electronic systems used by the world's leading electronics companies. Now, I'm here with Stan Krolikoski, chair of the 2013 Design and Verification Conference, DVCon. Stan is also an officer of the conference sponsor, Accelerus Systems Initiative. Thank you very much for joining us today.
I'm very pleased to be here, Sean.
So DVCon is such a great place to sync up with design and verification professionals. And again, you're this year's chair. Tell us why DVCon is important to attend.
I think it's for a couple of reasons. First off, we have a laser focus on the users of design and verification products and what their problems are. Mm-hmm. And we want to make sure that we provide information from everyone from the fresh out of school, new engineers doing design and verification, to the pro who wants to learn a couple new tricks.
Mm-hmm. Excellent. Talk a little bit about the technical highlights and this year's keynote.
Okay, very good. We have a number of ways we present information or have information presented. First off, we have the in-depth tutorials where people can go to find out for 3 hours, for example, on things like UVM or System Verilog or low power. Mm-hmm. We also have paper sessions which are very in-depth looks at technical problems. We have panel sessions where industry luminaries come together to discuss issues. And we also have the keynote that you mentioned. This will be Wally Rines this year. Mm-hmm. Wally's from Mentor Graphics, one of the great speakers in the industry.
Right.
And he always presents an interesting view for people to consider. You may not always agree with them, but Wally will get you thinking.
Right, and talk just briefly about the town hall lunch. This is great. You have this every year.
Yeah, all Monday is going to be the Accelerus Systems Initiative Day. We will have our tutorials on UVM, UPF, on the System C, and on AMS. But in the middle of all this, we're going to have a town hall lunch where the 400, 500 people get together, totally unscripted. These are people from the industry who may or may not know each other, share experiences, raise issues, give problem statements, give answers. It's different every year, and I really welcome people to come in and connect with all your fellows.
Right, and just briefly about the exhibits that people will see and how different that is from any other conference.
At a big conference like DAC, you probably get just a little bit of time from a vendor because the vendor's got to talk to an awful lot of people. Here, this is more intimate. This is up close and personal. There's going to be vendors there you know very well, Cadence, Mentor, Synopsys, other companies. But there'll be people that you've never heard of, and they may just have some product or solution you really need.
Well, this is going to be a great event. And to learn more and to register, just visit dvcon.org. And it's going to be a great show, Stan. Thank you very much for joining us.
And thanks for having me.
Yeah, and we'll see you at DVCon.